Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Fit brake light. First, gather your tools, a Phillips head screwdriver, and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. You'll find the brake light assembly on the rear of your Honda Fit, typically on either side of the trunk opening. To access the bulb, open your Honda Fit's rear hatch. You'll see the taillight housing from the inside. Look for 1 or 2 screws, usually Phillips head, that secure the assembly. Carefully remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back from the vehicle. It might be snug, but avoid excessive force. With the taillight assembly removed, locate the brake light bulb socket. It's usually a colored plastic piece. Twist the socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it, then pull it straight out. Carefully remove the old bulb from the socket. Insert the new bulb firmly into the socket, being careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands. Now, reattach the bulb socket by pushing it into the housing and twisting it clockwise until it locks. Carefully align the taillight assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle. Push it firmly into place and reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Finally, have someone press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.